Hey everybody, Mike Deuce back here again. Today we have a fun, not a hobby box break, but a just a pack opening of 5 packs of Upper Deck Women of Marvel. These have sketch cards available in them, one out of every 349, I believe, packs. And there's another rarer card called Alternative Universe, which is one out of every 499. And there are a couple numbered parallels in these as well. So let's get to it. I picked these up at GameStop. They were out of hobby boxes, so I thought I'd try these again. I opened 5 of these one other time for you guys, and hit a couple fun cards, no numbered. We hit some monumental covers. Those were the rainbow cards. Those were pretty cool. And there's battle time cards as well. But we did not hit any of the foil ones. Here's a battle time of Scarlet Witch versus Thor. Not a numbered one. And then a battle time of Shuri versus somebody. And a battle time of Absorbing Man versus Kitty Pryde. Kind of cool. Next we have, oh, what's this? A numbered to 99 green Gamora. That's pretty cool. It's numbered 9 of 99. That's awesome. Look at that. Can you see the numbering there? That's sweet. I'm going to get that in the pack right up. Penny sleeve and a card saver sleeve right away. That's pretty sweet. My best hit on these out of 10 packs only. 10 packs got me a numbered to 99 card. Very cool. We get that in a card saver and onto the unboxing tray. There we go. Very cool. Nice hit already. And the last one was the Mighty Thor. Well, there's two here. And Jean Grey, Phoenix. Cool. Now, pack number 2. One good hit already. Let's keep on a roll here and hit a sketch card. That'd be something. I've never hit one before. Here we have Captain Marvel versus Absorbing Man. Next, Spider-Gwen versus Vulture. Kind of cool one. Another Kitty Pryde versus Absorbing Man. And a Valkyrie. I had that one already. That's a different card, though. I think I might have got a purple one before. I might have to check those ones. And a Sharon Carter. And a Maria Hill. Pack number 3. Come on, down to the last 3 packs. I think I got this one before. Squirrel Girl versus Nightmare. X-23 versus Lady Deathstrike. We had that one. Here's a cool Black Panther monumental cover. Who is the Black Panther Part 2? That's kind of cool. Get that in a penny sleeve at least. Those are one out of every 3 packs. These packs are $5.99 at GameStop, but you can get a discount if you're a rewards member. Like 60 cents off or something. Not too bad. There's a Clea. We got that one already. And Aurora. I think we got that one too. Pack number 4. Down to the last 2. So if we get a gold one, those are numbered to 33, I think. Here's a Nightmare. Huh, same two cards. And another monumental cover. Ooh. Too Late. The Heroes of the Uncanny X-Men. Looks like the Hellfire Club and maybe the Phoenix with, the Goblin Queen. Kind of cool cover. Put that in a penny sleeve. Madeline Pryor, the Goblin Queen. There we go. And we have Misty Knight, Spitfire, and Elektra. That Gamora card's really cool. I want to check the back of it, show you guys the back. See if it says green or something like that. I may get back to you guys on whether the purple Valkyrie one is a 1 of 1 or something, or 1 of 33 or something. Dark Phoenix versus Cyclops. No, that's Dark Phoenix Cyclops versus Hope Summers. That's right, Cyclops had the Phoenix Force for a time. Yeah, this is the kind of foil that the other Valkyrie was, this bluish purple, but it's not numbered on the front. That's Moondragon there. Oh, here's a Spider-Gwen. That's cool. That's cool. And a Captain Marvel with the Shuri. Nice. Well, that was fun, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Well, let's check the back of this Gamora one again. See, it doesn't describe what foil it is on the back. It doesn't say green or what kind of card that I can tell. Just her background and name and real name. But this is the green 9 of 99. Very cool. Green foil. Well, take care, guys. It was fun.